Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the card type and any adapter. This prevents damage and detection errors. Once done, make sure the computer or camera supports hot plugging. Power off older devices to be safe. Now orient the card so the contacts face the reader's pins and push until it clicks or seats flush. You do this to ensure reliable electrical contact and prevent data corruption. After insertion, the system should recognize the reader. If not, reseat the card and check the adapter alignment. Next, connect the reader to the correct port, USB-A, USB-C, or built-in slot, so the host can supply power and enumerate the device. Once connected, open your file manager and wait for the removable drive to appear. This indicates the file system mounted correctly. You should copy or move files using drag and drop or command line tools and verify transfer progress to avoid corruption. If you'll edit large files, make sure the host won't sleep mid-transfer. That preserves integrity and speed. To finish, always use the operating system's eject or safely remove function. Doing so flushes caches and completes pending writes. Once the system confirms, physically remove the card. This prevents file system damage. If the card isn't recognized, try another USB port, swap adapters, or test a different reader to isolate the fault. And if files look corrupted, stop writing to the card immediately. Make a sector-by-sector image and run recovery tools on the image to maximize chances of restoring data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.